So what's up guys, it's Prosper here again, and here's another video. And in this video I'll show you guys how you can build a real estate website, right? How you can build a real estate house listing website. So people can call it real estate website, people can call it a housing website, so people can call it house listing website, even so anything that has to do with real estate, renting of house, buying of house, an apartment, a villa, just like as we have featured projects. So we have the villa apartment, we have the forest apartment, we have the Ignis villa, we have the Maruba paradise. We also have properties by location. We have, as you can see, and we have properties for sale. So we have all of these properties on sale, right? Then we have properties for rent. So if you are into real estate business and you want a website where you can list your properties, and it also has buy and sell, it also has buy to sell. As a user you can create property. Also you can even create property just like the way Gigi does. Gigi, once you create an account on Gigi, you can create a post and you can even buy subscription for that post. So I'm going to show you guys how you can actually do all of that on this website. Then as it proceed, I'm going to show you guys how you can actually develop this exact website easily. So if you are scared of coding, believe me, I am a development team. We've already done the coding aspect. So what you just got to do is to follow the prompt installation and the prompt setup, and boom, you already have your real estate house listing website. Okay, so if you love what you just heard, ensure you hit the subscribe button and let's dive straight into it. So let's say we want to see, so let's see the existing agents right now. So as you can see, Jared Prosper, so that should be the one I created before I started this blogging. All right, so those are the agents you can see. So we have a lot of agents, like you can buy and sell. So that's for the admin. Let's see what page did I open of this. So this is a user right here. As you can see, Jared Prosper. So if I reload this, you see that this is actually a user. So let's see what the user can do. So you guys are going to watch it as the video goes by, how we got to this point. Okay, so as a user can do what, can make a deposit. So your websites can actually make user to deposit into your site because they want to advertise the property they have. So the first thing I want to do is, we actually have the one for the free plan. We have for the one for single post and the one for the 5 posts. So I can say, okay, I want to make the one of 5 posts, so I'm going to purchase this plan. So total is, I'm going to make the deposit of $1,000. And now you can see, so please send your money to our bank. So the bank name is CUAB and the account name is, as you can see, and the account number is that. So you can actually do charity to that account number or receive it. Okay, so I want to make deposit, so I'm going to copy all of those account credentials. I'm going to make a successful transfer to that, and once I've done that, I'm going to come back right here. I'm going to click on what, checkout. So if you also have a coupon, you can add your coupon. So that has been done. So the next thing I want to do as an admin, I'm just going to go right here and come to payment, and I'll come to transactions, and I'm just going to complete this transaction that's made by Jerry Prosper. So I can come right here to the status and I'll click on completed, save and exit. So once this guy has been approved, we can come back right here to where he is. So let us reload this page of his. So he has 5 credits, so he can make post. So you can go ahead and check on properties. So you can go ahead and create a property. So you can see, so as a user can create property that he or she has. So it can serve as an agency. Even the admin also can create properties. So this project is so slick, so awesome. So when we actually registering, it sends mails. Also it sends mails, so you don't need to worry about, does it really send mails? It does. Okay, it really does. So if you come right here to the mails, you're gonna see where we have all our mails. So you can see Pinkstex home, subscribe successfully. So this is when we got when we subscribed. So we have when we did our confirmation mail, when we confirmed. So if we click it right here, you can see it take us to our login. So this project is so slick, so awesome. If you love what you're seeing, ensure you stick to this to the end of this video, and ensure you don't skip any part. The user also can make a consult, right? You can make a consult. So what does a consult mean? That means a visitor can consult this person, which is a user and an agent on this account. So let me do something real quick so that you're going to see what I mean by the consult. So if I come right here and I come to properties, and on this property, let me say this is Pink's Villa, right? So this one is owned by that user that we already know. So if I come down here and I can say contact agent, so as you can see, I will just come right here and I'll just fill in the name of this guy, and I'll say I am consulting Gerard. I'm consulting Gerard. So I just go ahead and click on the send message. So the name field is required. I thought I did that. Let me just paste something in there. Okay, maybe it has already gone. That has already gone. So if I come back right here to this user and I click on his consults, you're gonna see when he was consulted, right? So if you click on this, you can see this was the one I pasted. If you come back and we click on the previous one, you're gonna see I am consulting Gerard. So this project is so slick, so awesome. So from here, these agents can consult that visitor and they continue chatting and they transact. One gives money, the other one gives property. So if you love this project, ensure you stick to the end of this project while you watch how you develop this project. So what's up guys, so it's Prosper here again. I'm about to show you guys how you can actually set up your real estate website. So we've already discussed the major concept of the real estate website, and we've seen the many much things this slick and this fantastic project can do. So the first that does into selling and buying, buy to sell and the likes, renting, sales, that project also for you. So what I want to do right now is want to learn how we can build our site, how we can start building our site. And first thing, before we can actually do that, first we need to get a hosting and a domain. And for us getting a hosting and a domain, I recommend using Web Manager or Namecheap. And those are my recommendations. And if you're watching it and you feel like this project suits what you want and it works fantastically fine as you wish this, so you guys to know that you got to use the recommended host I'm recommending for you, because so that you don't run into some kind of errors and runtimes errors in likes. So without much said, so once we've gotten our hosting and domain, so to get your hosting and domain, you just come to your web hosting right here, you click on the drop down, or instead of that you can just scroll down, you come to shared hosting right here, you click on it, just scroll down, then you can see all of these prices, then you can just select the one you want. For me, I'll go with that first one. So let me say Pins Tech let me see, underscore real estate. Let me say .ng or anything. If you want .com, you can click on it and you see if it's .com you want. And then let's check if this is available. So it's actually available at the price of 20,900. So we'll just come right here and you're gonna add it. So once that has been added, we just click on continue. So we've added the hosting, a domain to our hosting. So you can click on this to see the varieties of subscription you want to go for. If you want to go half a year, quarter a year, or monthly, so you choose from any. So let's assume we're going for annually. So come right here and click on continue. Then it has the hosting. I'll just go with ID Protect. Let me add this to cart. Email forwarding also, I want that, and I'll click on continue. So this has this. So next I'm going to do is I'm going to check out. So I'm going to what? Check out. So at this point I don't want to check out, so you just continue with your checking out process. Okay, let me just try to act like I want to check out. So you can see, as you can see right here, so an invoice will be created and you're just going to prompt that. So complete order. So I don't want to order for this. You're just going to click on complete order and it's going to prompt you to where you're going to choose what payment method you want to use. Maybe you want to do transfer, you want to use your card, or any of which you'll be seeing there. So based on, if I click on, it's going to create an invoice for me. I don't want the invoice, so I'm just going to leave that. And so once you've already done all of those, then you have to get back to where you are going to start working. So let me assume I'm logging back again. So I'm going to click on services. Then you're going to click down there which says log into cPanel. So once you're logged into cPanel, the next thing you want to do is you just type of file manager. So you just enter the place where you want to work. So for me, I'm using a subdomain. For you, since that will be your primary domain, you'll be working in your public underscore HTML. So this is the environment you're going to be working in. For me, I already created the subdomain, so I'm going to be working in the subdomain. So next I'm going to do it right here. I'm going to click on upload. So I'm going to upload the files that we're going to be using for this project. So it is right here. As you can see, it's 115 megabytes, so it's very large, and to show how powerful this project is gonna be, so you just double tap on it and it will start loading. For me, it's already in my recycle bin. I'm gonna cancel this right here. So for you, you're just gonna wait on it to load. The blue progress bar is gonna load until it becomes 100. You will still have to wait until the blue progress bar becomes green. Then you click on go back to your directory. So for me, I'll just view trash right here, and I just want to restore this file. So if I come back right here, you're gonna see that it was from here, it was deleted. So next I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click on extract, and I'm gonna extract this files. So that has been extracted. So I'm gonna click on close. So you're gonna double click. You'll be on the body, double click. If you be on the name, it will since I want to change the name, so you be on the body and double click. So next I'm gonna do, I don't want my files to be in a folder that has a very long name. I don't want that, so I'm gonna select all. I'm gonna move those files out. So I'm gonna move it out from the folder. So I'm gonna delete. So that has been deleted. So next I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on move files. Okay, So I'll click up one level. So up one level. Next thing I'm going to do is I can just go ahead and delete this folder and also delete this file. If I wish, I'll click on delete. So I'm going to delete temporarily, so I may refer to it later on. So once this has happened, the next thing I'm going to do is you're going to browse your site. So for me, I'll be browsing my subdomain. For you, you'll be browsing your main domain. So it has prompted me to the installation wizard. So the first thing is English language. So you can choose the language you are trying to set up this real estate website for. So if you have a client from whatsoever country is this, so you start setting it up with the language, and it's going to be very nice if you actually respond to this initial process. So for me, I'll begin with English. So let's go there. So let's see, required is 8.1. I'm working on 8.2. That seems okay. So everything is all checked on. Okay. So in case anyone is not visible, you can write that in the comment section. I'm going to show you how you can actually do that. But to actually do that, you can just come right here and you type on PHP. Then you come to PHP version selector. Then you click on extensions. So these are the extensions. So anyone that is missing, you can come right here and look for it and check it. Just as we have Open SSL, we have JSON, we have curl, we have XML. So if you come right here, you're gonna see those ones. XML, where is it? Let's start from, as you can see, XML, open, O for open. So Open SSL, as you can see, they were already checked. So those things are what I'm showing you right here. So anyone that is missing, that showed red that this one is missing, you can come right here and you look for those PHP extensions. So you come back right here and let's proceed to configure environment. So your site name. So what do you want your site name to be? So that this one is a very detailed installation process. So I'll just say this is Pins Tech Real Estate. Pins Tech Real Estate. Okay, let me just see if I capitalize this E. Okay, it looks okay. So all of those are okay. So database ports is that. Then we need to create a database. So to create a database, you come back to your cPanel, and on the search tool, I'm gonna click on data. So database wizard. So let's name this database estate. So we can say this one can be real. Then just enter the password that you know. So you're gonna check on all privileges and you click on next step. So this is for our database. So I'm gonna copy that and come right here. I'm gonna paste that. Same thing also for the user. You double tap. Once you double tap on it, it will highlight the group of word, that is the particular word in group. So this is for the user. Then the password, you're gonna enter the password that you know. So click on install. So want to create an admin account. So the first name, I want this to be things, and the last name should be what? Tech. Then username should be what? Things tech. Then the email, let's just take anyone right here. Then password, we're gonna enter the same password that we know. Then we'll click on create. So we've created an admin account. So your license is invalid, please reactivate it. So what we're going to do is we are going to I confirm, then activate license. So our license has been activated and installation is finished. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to admin dashboard. So we are logged in as admin. So welcome to your admin dashboard. So it has a welcome, and we're going to click on get started. So we can go with color. So what color do you want to assign to it? I most time like orange, purple. So let me say I want my primary color to be, let me go purple. Yeah. So your site logo, so I'm going to choose a logo. So and I want to upload my logo inside logo folder, and I'm going to click on upload right here. So for my local storage, and this is pink tech white, and this is the dark theme. So I'm going to upload that. So this has been uploaded. So what one? Let me take the dark one first. So our site title, so I can say this is what Pinks Tech Homes. So let's click on next step. So your site is ready, so click on finish. So as you can see, we are ready, and let's view our site. So let's view our website. Wow, this is so awesome. This is so awesome. You see that purple is so unique. You know, as a computer scientist, we are purple in nature. So it's because I'm logged in, that is why it's showing this top header, showing that as an admin I can actually edit this page. I can actually do a lot of things, just like the way WordPress has such functionality. So if I go ahead and I log out, okay, so this is a real estate website where you can buy and sell properties, landed properties, housing properties, infrastructures, and everything that has to do with real estate and the business. You can do your buy to sell and very much more. So there are some things that we ought to do. So as you can see right here, on most of featured projects we have no images. Property by location, so locations there's no images, then properties themselves there's no images on the properties. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to log in back as the admin, and we're going to start uploading Okay, so we logged in as the admin. So next we're going to do is we're going to click on the drop down of real estate, and we're going to click on properties. So from the property, I can see these are the list of the properties we have on record. So this is 10 of 17 records. So I can go ahead and remove um, you can go ahead and remove as many as you wish, or you go ahead and edit them. But sometimes I love to edit them, so I just click on edit. So apartment master in dmain, so you can change that to maybe apartment Mostarazo in Lekki. Let me just use Lekki as an example. So it's on rent, so everything is, so this is gonna be, so you go ahead and say right about. So this is the description of the project of the property, and this is the features of the property, right? It's featured, right? It's checked on, and the content, then the images of the property. So let's delete this and let's add the images of our property. So we're going to click on upload from local. So let me check on my download right here. So I'm going to cover this page. You won't be seeing what are there, but this are where you can upload your properties from your local storage. So we're uploading images that are real estate related. That old man would love cash. Is a cash king. Okay, so we just want to upload all the property images that we'll be using for this project, so we don't have to be going back and forth multiple times. So let's just take all that are real estate related. Or you can just go online and you also download. Okay, you can actually go online also and download images that are real estate related. And the next thing you're gonna do is you can actually resize the image. If the image are too large to upload, you can reduce the size of the images so that you don't have upload difficulties and start getting so upset with the process. So as you can see, I'm actually getting some real estate image related. So this is how you sell houses online, and people say how to make money online. You can just go around to those new sites in your area. You snap the houses that are there, you for sale, you get the contact number, you build a website just like this, and you start posting those images, and people looking online for houses they want to buy, they can just contact you and start become a real estate agent, and you start making a whole lot of money, start making tons of money. You sell properties all over the world. So if you need access to these resources in order to follow up with the tutorial video, you just have to contact me on my WhatsApp number. Is going to be on this video description, and also it's going to be on my channel profile, so you don't have to miss out. So you follow up as you're watching, you're doing the same thing. So if you love what doing this channel, ensure you hit that subscribe button because it will be of beneficial to both of us. So when I drop fantastic project just like this and the past ones, you're gonna be the first person to be updated on every of our updates. And it's also a support to our channel so that the channel will grow. So at the same time, for you to get your hosting and your domain, ensure you use my affiliate link, which is going to be on this video description and also on my this video description. So I guess this should be okay. Let's upload this. So they're uploading. So the ones that are our photos are being uploaded. So let's glance through the photos that are being uploaded. As you can see, okay, we have one that has error. So we have some other ones. So if you look at the ones that are having error right here, we can see that okay, it's not always true because the one that is 61 kilobytes also got error. So not all our photos got uploaded, which is many. Okay, so let's manage the ones that we have. So let's quit this page right here and let's click on upload pictures again. I guess at this point some of the photo is going to load up. So what are we actually editing right here? Let's cancel this again and let's say this is an apartment, right? So this is a property. So since the property, we can click and let's take this. This looks very nice. So let's insert this, and the next thing we're going to do now is, so the country, you come right here and you're going to select the country. So if it's in Nigeria, if it's in the United States, so let's say Nigeria. Okay, that's we need to create countries and other places. So as you can see, city, let me say San Francisco. So the map, so you're going to select your latitude and your longitude for your map. So you just set, you can just type this, what is the latitude and the longitude of so place. Are you getting it? So I can say, what is the longitude so what is the longitude and latitude of let me say Ikeja, Lagos. So once you click on that, it's going to bring out the longitude and the latitude of Ikeja, Lagos. So the first one, according to their point, so latitude comes first, then longitude second. So this first one is going to be the latitude. So if we copy that, we can come right here to our IDs properties and we can put that in our, what comes first, latitude. So put this in a latitude, then we can come right here and let's take the one for the longitude. So you copy that right there and you're gonna paste it right here. So number bedroom, as you can see, number of bathroom. So number of bedroom, so let's say this is a 3-bedroom apartment, so bathroom also should be 3. It should be 4 because there should be one for visitors who should be close to the sitting room. Then number floors, then square meter. Okay, that is okay. The currency, the price, that's also okay. Period, monthly, never expired. private note. So these are all the things that are close to it. So it has an hospital, it has a supermarket close by, and on the 16th kilometer, school at 13 kilometer, entertainment center at 1 kilometer, pharmacy at 17 kilometer, airport 16 kilometer, railway. So all these are the externals of what are in attachment. So we have the features. So it feature a Wi-Fi, a parking, a swimming pool, a balcony, a garden, a security, a fitness center, a conditioning, even central heating, laundry room, pet allows, spa massage. So this is so awesome. So right here, if you want to add a YouTube video to it, so you can come right here and you're gonna put your thumbnail. So let me assume this should be my thumbnail right here. So click on insert and we can just copy one of our video from YouTube. So I can go right here and let me go to YouTube right here. So let me copy one of my videos. So this should be. So what's up guys, it's Prosper here again, and here's another video, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can build a digital modern banking. So let me click on share and copy this link. So you just copy something really quick, just like that. And let's we're gonna do right here is we're gonna paste it using WordPress. Yeah. So we've done that using a PHP script. So apartments using like this and that. So now we can go ahead and we can save this. We can go ahead and we can save this. I'm gonna click on save right here. Front end, and it will be attaching some PHP MySQL script so as to hold our banking functionality. So that has been saved. I can go ahead and I can preview our banking. So let's preview this property. So as you can see, this is the property. So as you can see, we are in right. This is so slick, so awesome. So we're gonna do right here now is so apartment Mustang, Lekki, this and that, that and this. This is so nice. This is so nice. I love this. I love this. So project information. So we're gonna create for projects. So dimension, and this is that is the property. As you can see Ikeja right here. So this is where the property is at Ikeja. As you see what I did, right? Video to the so this is mangroves. This properties, this property listing, real estate is so nice. So this is the thumbnail. So if I click on it, it's going to pop out a watch screen, and it's going to show. So you can create a video, a preview video of the property. You can just go by, you get a very expert videographer, takes very nice shot of videos and very nice. So it's the latest banking project, and you just mix it, edit it properly, and upload it on YouTube, and you just embed it into your site, and a customer can check Prosper here again and watch a video display of the property. You can see how this project is so awesome, so unique. I love this project. I love this project so much. So if you need access to these resources, ensure you hit me up. So let's see what we my WhatsApp number is going to be on this video description, and also on my YouTube profile. So you can see discover, and also on the World of Bank, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, whatsoever place you're going to find this video. So everything I've said, you can actually get it as I have said it. Any of this. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is I'm going to show you guys we can also go ahead and edit that. So a price plus, so you can have savings accounts, so you can create an account. So if we come to projects right here, accounts, fixed deposit, and much more. So as you can see, this we can edit so slick, and this is also so awesome. We can edit the awesome. That is the project. So let's edit the project. So let's just edit it and see how our site will look like after editing. So at this point, I'll just be changing the pictures, right? So let's assume this is a project. So let's insert this and let's save this. The scripts, everything, and let's move to the other ones. So just get in touch with me, and you're gonna get all of that real quick.
So that's for our homepage.
So I want to show you guys how you can actually use this project efficiently and set up your real estate housing listing project. Your even if you're an agent that does renting of house, renting of apartment, you can get this project. If you're into real estate business, you can get this project. If you're into agency, you can get this project. Even if you're on money if you're on money you can also get this project. So this project is awesomely for anything that deals with housing, and
because I'm still going to show you guys how you're going to change all of this. So if
awesome.
I've changed it and I'm still going to change it, it's going to take me a lot of time. I just want to block this.
So you can add as many images as you wish, so it will be in the gallery form of the property or of the listing.
So we also have tons of templates that you can use for your front end. I'm going to show you guys tons of templates that you can use. You can choose from.
So ensure you hit that subscribe button, because this channel has a lot
the project page
to do for you guys.
A lot of pages.
So we are editing this project so that we can see how we can use it efficiently and make the best out of it.
Hope I've not run out of data.
So okay, so currently we are editing. We also want to edit every content on this page.
So our
right
plugins are installing.
You will see how all is being edited on at the same time, so that when we view our site, it's going to look very proper and very nice. So you can go ahead and change those content, all of the text content. What will just be changed right here is just the image. Our plugins are installing, so we just gotta, I don't know if I'll fast forward this side or you just watch it. So any which, according to how the video duration takes, I just want to make it brief and real quick. Okay, so let's get back to the properties. Let's edit the properties also. So only did one, so we're going to edit all of these pages, and the remaining 6 I will just delete them. So let's take this next. So let's go one after the other so that we don't mix it up. Okay, almost got, like, here's one I edited.
Okay, installed. So we're gonna hit return to plugin installer, then
okay, let's take this next.
So we can just we need Instagram feed and search engine optimization,
save
contact form right here.
I guess that's nice.
WordPress importer, post for WordPress you like, okay. Custom Facebook feed, okay. Image optimizer, okay.
This also is a property.
Import and export option, okay. This, okay. Custom sidebar,
so you can actually edit every single content on each app, right? From start to selling,
it's really fast.
Building,
we don't have to waste any
sales, selling. You can change all of the approved, rejected. You can actually put in the category. So we have villa, we have condo, we have house, we have land. So even the category can also go ahead and you can edit all of the categories right here. So anything you want to change, the unique ID, you can give it a unique ID. last update, villa apartment account, right? So let's go ahead. So this project is so powerful, so awesome. I really wish you get this on time.
Alright, so they are being
this
installed.
Is
so we're gonna come right here now. Okay, just click on go back, and I will click to activate. You see right there. Then I just check all. I click on activate and activate. Apply.
I get this audio for images uploaded. Wow, that's not so nice.
Okay, our browser is not loading, so we don't know if it's done. Maybe the display screen. So just go ahead and hit this one too.
Okay, this is what we can actually do. So let's come online and say houses. So let's say beautiful
corporate bank. It makes sense. Okay.
Alright,
so
this
so
is
let's
the last
update this
of it. So we
so you can go ahead also and change
so
this
the next
one.
we're gonna do right
is to
now
provide
is
quality
so let's
English.
go to let's
So we
look for
can
the
go ahead and
locations.
change the description. There should be description.
Let's check on features.
So instead of
facilities,
English language,
investors,
you can say quality banking.
So this are investor. Let's see if they have images.
Website.
Okay, they don't have images. Let's see categories,
project,
reviews,
quality banking website project,
invoices,
international
and local.
Okay, so that looks nice. So we can go ahead and update that. Then I can say,
alright,
on this one also I can edit this. So the title, then the secondary text. Let's see secondary text.
So San Francisco. So if you come right here and click on edit, so you can see you can actually change the image of San Francisco. So let me look for somewhere that looks like San Francisco. So let me say this place looks like San Francisco. So I can go ahead and I can insert that. I'll save and exit. So I can come to the second one right here, and let me look for somewhere that looks like there. So let me say this one. So I can go ahead and save and exit. So next one is Bakersfield. So just look for somewhere that looks like Bakersfield. Let's see this right there, and we just go ahead and we just insert it. Then we save and exit. So that's how we're going to do for each and every one of all of these cities around here. So let's say this should be next. So let's save and exit. So let's edit the last one, California. California love. Alright, so at this point, let us view our site and see what we've done. So if you come right here to view site, let's see what we've actually done. So from view site, we can see we have this our beautifully designed website. So okay, our logo actually has something related to purple. That was on the bottom. Okay, it's not that so purple, but it's looking likely. So if we scroll down, we can see featured projects. We can see the villa apartment, the Eidos Forest apartments. You can see this beautifully. Egan's Villas, you can see for the Egan's Villa. We can also see for the Marable Paradise. Wow, that's great. So properties by location, we have the Alhams, we have the Himo, we have the Bakersfield, Oakland, and we have the San Francisco. Then for the properties, we have all of these properties for sale.
Alright, so where are
You
we?
can see how beautifully designed
I
this
actually
is.
went to attend to something.
This is so sleek. This is so
Okay.
awesome. Let me assume I want to get this project, which is $800,000.
So now let's start on developing
So once I click
our
on it, I
main
can go
bank
ahead and
functionality.
see the
So what we just did
YouTube
was we
video
just
of it.
developed our
So contact
the front end to our
agency.
site
So we're
using
gonna change
WordPress.
for this agency.
So we're
So
gonna be
that's what we're
using
gonna
a
do next.
PHP script for our backend,
So this is so awesome.
MySQL.
So it also has the map,
So we are trying to change
and
logo.
we have a
Now
video
remember
to
so
show
you just come down right here
as a
and come
display
to
for
site
that
identity.
product.
Then
We
you're
also
gonna
have
see
reviews,
okay, we're out.
suggested
So you click on site
property,
identity.
related properties.
Then you're gonna click on.
So this
just
project is
click on
also
logo
sleek. This
and
project
you
is
remove
also
or you
awesome. So
change.
if we come back here to
New one.
let's
So you click
say
on
let's
upload
go back to
file.
our dashboard.
Then you're gonna choose where you wanna upload your file
So we
from.
want to say for agencies, let's say consult field as.
So assuming that's my logo.
I'm gonna click on select. So under blog, okay, blog.
So if you want to create a logo,
Payment.
create
So
a
coming back to
lengthwise
the
logo.
payment section.
This is a lengthwise. Let me show you
So
the
that the real
lengthwise. This is a
estate, we have
lengthwise
the
logo. Create a
investors.
lengthwise logo. I'm only using this because I feel like this is what I should use. So this is just for educational purpose for those of us that we are students, we need project file.
So let's go ahead and look for
block this for
some photos.
You see, this is not a proper logo. So let me remove this logo
investor.
And let me put another logo.
This guy is an investor. This guy. Let's see, this couple also investors. So investors.
Let me just do it like that.
Investor. Okay. So we're just looking for random photos that we can use as.
Let's just publish that so that we'll have new. I want to have new updated.
Let's say this is an investor, this is also an investor, this is also an investor. Let's say this lady also is an investor. So all of those should be partially enough. So let's say this is also an investor, this is also an investor, this is also an investor.
So the network is looking slowly.
Okay, so let's upload this
one.
I guess just part of fast forward them. So these ones are being uploading. Okay, so let's just we're taking that save, and so we're going to change the avatar of all of this.
Don't know if it's network or is
the browser processor. So let's quickly do that. Then we're also looking for agencies, so that the site will look very beautiful when we're done. So just come right here to the logo. We're still going into a lot of development that you want with this. You click on select. So it's prompting for crop, so I can go ahead and make it lengthwise. Lengthwise is best for logo, it fits in. So let's see what this one is going to bring out. You see, so that's what I'm talking about. Okay, so just make a better logo. I just use that for the sake of, I don't know, I've been having some issues with my bosses, PSP investment. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cancel this. So I'm done changing my logo. So I don't know if there's footer logo, so you go ahead and let's see if there's footer logo. Okay, there is no footer logo. Okay, good. So next we're going to do is let's start developing our main banking functionality. So let's head back to WordPress and let's click on CP, which is cPanel. So we've already created. Next we're going to do is we're going to click on File Manager, File, then we're going to File Manager. Then we're going to select the subdomain we created. For you, if you are doing this for the first time, you're going to be working in your public_html. This is public_html. There's a project right there, so I'm not going to do anything in it. So you work in your public_html. So why all this WordPress content already here, you just go ahead and click on folder and you click on new folder. So I'm going to name this EN. I'm going to click on create new. Then I'm going to enter into the EN folder and I'm going to click on upload. So I want to upload the banking script. So if you need access to these resources, just reach out to me and you're gonna get it real quick. Just too many. So from where you have it, you just upload it. As you can see, it's 91 megabyte to show how big the file is. It's really functional. Oh, hallelujah. Hallelujah, somebody. So it has become green. So it's so next thing I'm going to do is you're going to click on it and right click, then click on extract. I'll click on extract right there. And you can close it and we reload. If it did not prompt it up for you, you're going to enter that folder. You click on your settings, ensure you are checked on show hidden files, then you save it. So you can view the dot files. So I'm going to select all. I'm going to click on move. I'm going to move it out of the Imperial Premium. Okay, so let's edit this one. Then I'll click up one level. Okay, so I can go ahead and delete this folder if I wish. Right. Then I'm going to enter into account. Script. So let's over for the page 2. Then I'm going to edit. Just have just 2. Right click to edit. So let's give them edit. So I'm going to configure my database, the connect.php. I'm editing it, which is my database. So now I need to change this database credentials to my own. So how am I going to get or create mine? So I'll come to my So you just
I'll
take
come
the
right
image
here
that resemble
to my
what
tools,
you see
and
there.
in my save panel I'm going to click on
And
data,
even be logos. All those things supposed to be logos.
then I'll click on
Alright,
database
so
wizard.
we've done that.
Then I will just put this, let me say painstack, right?
Okay, under
Then
accounts,
again
so we have those people there. So these are the agencies. So let's take images for agents.
Then I just put any password that I know very well that I'll not forget.
This is an agent.
Then I'll come back right here again. We're gonna do the same thing.
There's also an agent, a couple agent.
I'm gonna check on for all privileges, and I'll scroll down and click on next step. So my database is created. I'm just gonna copy for the user. Just be on it, and double tap. It will highlight that text block. Then Ctrl C to copy. Then I'll go to my connect.php. I'm gonna edit it for this and for this also, because I use the same name for my data and my user. Look at it right here, confirmation. Look at my user is this, then png stack, right? So let's go back to our connect.php right here. And then I'm going to change the password to the password that is mine. Okay, so I'm going to click on save changes. So while that changes is saved, I can go ahead and quit that. Then I'll come back to this subdomain I created, and I'll enter my em folder. Then this file, the my.sql structure query language, I'm going to double tap on it to download it. So while it's being downloaded, I'm going to come back right here to my cPanel. I'm going to click on PHP. Then I'll select phpMadmin. And I'm going to choose the database that I created for the purpose of this project. And I'm going to click on import button right there. I'm going to choose my SQL file. Then this is my SQL file right there. And I just scroll down and click on import. So that has been imported. So next I'm going to do is I'm going to click on user. The first one is the admin user. So I'm going to re-encrypt my password. So I don't know what password was encrypted here, but I'm going to click the MD5 encryption.
Okay,
Then
so
I'm going to change the password right there, and I'm going to put
we are doing
the
greatly.
one that I know. So this is the admin password, the admin Gmail. I can just copy it. Then I'll scroll down.
Okay, just two we have right here.
So you see the admin have a lot of privileges and a lot of permission. So I'll click on go. So my admin password has been changed to what I know. Then I'm just gonna go back to my file managers. I'll click on my subdomain again. I'll click on em folder, and I'll click on account. I'll click on move. I'll move it out from em folder.
Okay, so we're done with the
and
agency.
I'm gonna click on move file.
We're
So
done with the
rest
agency.
folder
So you can come right here and let's view our site once more
let's click
again.
one more level. So
So if we
the
come
EM
right here
folder,
to
I'm gonna
agents,
delete the
we
EM
can
folder.
see the agents that we have.
So the EM folder,
We can see the agents that
has
we have. So
been
this is so
deleted.
slick, this is so
So
awesome.
I'm gonna browse my
This
site
looks
slash
so
account.
nice.
So I want
This
to
looks
enter
so
into
nice.
this
I
account
love
folder.
this. I love this
So my
project
site
so
slash
dearly.
account.
Let me say I want baby Quentin. So this is her email, her phone number, and this little about her.
So
Ellis
this is gonna
said
be the
very
user login.
politely. Wow, that's nice. That's
And
great.
if I want to log into my
So also
admin,
have for the news,
so
we have
account
for each
slash
and each that you
admin
have right there. So if we come right
slash
here to the news section,
login.
so the blogs also, you're gonna change the images for the
So
blogs.
this is my admin.
So let's see
I'm
how
gonna
many
paste.
blogs we have.
That's my
So
admin,
some already had images, so we just need to
email.
change
It is admin.
those ones that do not have. So let's see for page 2. So let's go back to our
Gmail.
dashboard and let's go to the blog so that we can actually
And my password is the password that I
edit
enter.
those ones that do not have a cover photo. So you can see
So
them
I'm
right
gonna
here.
click on login.
So can we just go
So
ahead
once
and
we
delete
find this
them?
error, so the next thing I'm gonna do,
I'm not
if
sure we
ever see this
actually have
error,
that
is to come back
strength.
right here to as a
So the
panel.
rest we cover that
I'm gonna
space.
click on select PHP version.
So I will just edit the last one. So this last one right here. So once you click on
Then
edit,
we're gonna select
you just
PHP
edit
version
it.
7.4.
Edit it very
Then we're
very
gonna
well. You
click on
can see how
apply.
beautiful the design is. So we need something that look like skyscraper vibes.
So while that
So
is
let's look
applied,
for
you can
something
just
that
go
has
back
a
right here
skyscraper vibes.
and reload.
A skyscraper.
You can see
So
you are
we
logged in
have something
successfully now.
related. So let's save and
So you'll be
exit.
redirected to the
So that's it. So let's scroll down. So everything is
So you'll be
good. So
redirected
let's
to
see the
the
next
admin.
paginated page.
So the next thing we want to do is
So
as
all
the
also
admin
has
we want to
images.
configure our email.
So we can also go
Change
ahead
our
and
logo.
view site now again.
What else again?
So this is a project right here,
and start using the site.
so next we're going to do
come
is
to
we're going to book an apartment.
email and SMS configuration.
So you can see our agency.
So we need to
you can
change this
see
our email
recently
SMTP
viewed properties.
configuration
These are the
to
properties
as.
that I just
So come
recently
to see
viewed.
panel right
So
here.
you can see our news.
You click on
You can
email.
see this site is so slick, looks so beautiful. I love this
email
project.
account. So because you are getting this for the first time, you're not going to see
much.
anything here. You just click
So
on
let me
create.
assume I want to book a property.
Then you
So
create
I want to
anyone.
rent this
So
property.
I'm gonna create.
So I'll scroll down, and the next I'm going to do is I'm going to reach out to this agent.
You enter your password, you submit, you come
Or I
back
can
again.
just go ahead and call. So I
create
can say
info.
name,
You enter your password, you
email.
submit again. You can go again, create support.
So I can say
You do the same thing. You create no reply.
Need this
So this one I'll create
property.
no.
So I can go ahead and send a message. So that message has been sent. That message has been sent. I can go ahead and call. I can go ahead, open,
create,
pick an app.
So that has been created. So that is how you create your email. So you can once you've created that, now you need to configure your database.
It has every
I say database, your email. So on this part here,
so I can just
what's your
phone link?
What's the email you created?
So
you come back right to the email. So you created no reply.
Railway 7
so you can just copy the no reply.
So project information is in the Villas apartment. It's in the Villas apartment, and that's map right there.
You come to the
so
user
this project is so slick.
Then
so you can also create a video for
substitute it to your own. Then you copy this domain.
And embed it. So these are the comments from. These are the comments.
Then you copy. This is so great. Only the domain.
So let's see. You can go ahead and add a property.
Easy to replace.
Then you create an account. So let's click on register.
Leave the mail dot.
So you register your information.
Then the password also you're gonna change it to the one that you know. Then your display name. So mine will be. So before then, banking script. Okay. So our email has been configured.
Before that guy
so next thing we want to do is our logo. So now we need to change our logo also. So we're gonna choose file of your logo. So what's my logo is gonna look like? I can change it to something like this.
So let's see for user.
So if you reload, it did not change. You're just gonna
so
click on
email,
Control
view,
F5.
update your email settings and email templates.
So you see it has changed.
So all these ones are for the emailing.
And then
So we can go ahead and cut. Okay, so let's come here for accounts. Let's check on the account. So enable, allow visitor to register account. Yes.
Change.
Verify account
also
email.
Same thing for
make
this one.
account phone number required. Okay. Enable credit system. Maximum upload file.
Update.
So what we're going to do now, we are going to set up our email, and we're also going to create an account. So the first thing we're going to do is
for this
we need to set up our email. So to do that, we need to come to this email right here, and we're going to click on emails. So are we using SendMail or SMTP? Let's use an SMTP. So this is our port is 465 on SMTP, 465, and our host. So you come right here to your cPanel,
click on anything
that is your own, and you're just gonna click on emails,
Control F5.
So click on email account. So that's what it's gonna show. This picture is what's gonna show at the top of my site. You can see it has changed, and I'm gonna click on create an account. So I can go here and
what next again?
estate. So let me name this estate. So you put a password. So if we leave here, so we need to, from our front end, we should be able to access. So let's put a password. Right? So just this ordinary account, we can copy it, Ctrl C to copy. Then we go to our front end. So we need to create a menu for account. So we'll come right here and click on menus. So let's click on create, and so at this point we've created a custom email link. So we're going to use the link to set up our SMTP, and we're going to call this. So we'll come back right here to our site. Let's just create a void. We have our email. So our username is going to be this. Our password is going to be what?
Then we'll call it account. So it's not clickable. So we're going to add it.
Then as this one will be SSL,
and call this one
SSL
login.
So the host,
then let's change one, create account.
The host is gonna be mail, then let's add dot.
So the login is going to be sub menu to account.
So local domain,
create account is going to be sub menu
to account also.
So we can go ahead
send that
this
name
for primary.
So this should be
also for footer navigation. Then we're going to save changes. Then we're going to save this menu.
Homes. So sender, email.
So let's visit our site
then
now.
Let's save the settings. Okay, let's try and send the test mail. Pings debit template, test template. So let's click on send.
Okay,
so I've sent it to pings debit
account.
So
we have login create account.
This
so
pings debit, right?
Takes me to my
let's create a new tab, and let's click on Gmail.
So if I click on this logo,
so let's see if our SMTP. Oh wow! So our SMTP went successfully.
My front
so this is a test email. So it's sent from Pingstech Real Estate. It's not important, just ignore it. So now we can go back to our settings right here. So our SMTP is working fine right now. So we can come right here to
so
we're talking about accounts, yes. So we'll click on verify account emails, make phone number required.
They'll click on logo.
High agency phone number, no. He doesn't know.
Skip.
I didn't know. Disable public figure, no.
This is the logo session.
Enable wish list,
so look at this, the link.
Enable post approval, enable verify. Okay. So let's click on save settings.
So if we go back,
So that has been saved. So right now we can go ahead all over to our page.
Ordinary.com is our
we can actually change this to orange. So if we change this to orange, let's see how it's gonna be. So we're gonna do that real quick.
Replace this.
So next I'm gonna do is I want to register as a user.
Logo
so first name
of the account folder.
Yeah, username.
Our main home page. So
Things
click on save changes.
Is that not the admin? Okay, let me just.
So that has been saved.
Let me just see something.
So let me go back. Let me click on
then email. Let me use this Pixdebit password. So I'm gonna enter.
And let me click on go back. So you see it has worked. It has worked.
So that's the first one.
So what else?
Okay, so next we're gonna do is let's create account as a user. For this one, let me use. I don't know if this one is for the registration. Let me use info. Pings info. So I agree.
So let's enter the code.
Let me click on register. So they say they've sent something to me. So next I'm gonna do is I need to get into that mail. So let me assume it's this.
So I need to create an account.
So let me get into my mail. So let me click on Gmail.
Okay, before we finish creating an account, let's quickly do something. Let's go back to our admin. Did they cancel our admin page?
Oh, it actually came.
We did.
Report as not spam.
/admin/login. We need to change our base URL so when we're verifying our account.
So let's get back to. So we can click on verify now. So once I click on verify now, it's going to take me straight to my verification page, and I am verified. So now I'm logged in as a user. So I can go ahead and buy credit. I can go ahead and consult invoice settings. So let me click on properties. So you see that it has a wallet where you can actually buy credit. So the admin is going to set up all of its payment method and all of that to be done so easily. So there's no property currently now.
General settings.
Okay, it has not created property, right? So let's click on buy credit.
To this, then we change our site also. So we can change this to PNGS. Then we can put anyone there.
Okay, so we say free first post, single post, 5 posts. Oh, 200 per post, $200 per post, 1,000 total save. Wow. Okay, for people to post their property on this platform, they will pay.
So that has been updated. So let's go ahead and continue.
Okay,
so just enter anything.
Okay, so let me purchase this one.
Just enter anything.
So I want to use bank transfer. So the account number is this. So we're going to transfer that. So let me click on checkout. So that has been successfully done. Okay, so if I get back to my admin, let me get back to my admin.
So you just choose. So you can create this project for a
checking account,
for a savings account, for a fixed deposit account, for a current account, for a cryptocurrency account, for a business account, for a non-resident account, corporate business account, investment account.
I need this property. Okay, so this is a consult. Okay, that account, information I sent. That
just enter.
Okay. That first information I sent. that I need this property. Okay, so we can mark this as read, then save and exit. Okay, it's making more sense. Then let's see, there is a payment that's payment. Let's see transactions.
Then you just choose photo.
Okay, bank transfer Jira Prosper, so pending. So we can come right here and let's view this. So from pending, we can see completed, refunding, fraud, failed, refunding, refunded.
So
Wow, this is so nice. Okay,
successfully registered.
so let's proceed and see what other things we can actually do. So since this has been completed, let's get back to this user right here, and let's reload this page and see. Okay, he has gotten his 1 credit. He has gotten his 1 credit. So if he goes to purchase again,
so let's go.
You can go ahead and so cash registration
completed. So I can go back.
So I have cash on delivery, we have bank transfer.
So I can enter.
So you'll be sending. So if we come to the admin right here, let's see where the account is located. So if we come to, let's go to settings. If we click on settings right here,
so I can now log in. So what am I going to log in?
Let's look for payment settings.
I need to verify my account. So let's come to create a user account.
So we can update currency.
So I can say approve account. So that account has been activated. I can also add funds to the account. I can just say I want to add 570.
Okay, this payment method. Sorry about that. So under payment, you have payment method. So we have cash on delivery, we have bank transfer, default payment method. Okay, that's for default. So if we come to the bank transfer right here, we can click on edit.
Just click continue.
So method name bank transfer. So please send your money to. So you just put your bank name.
Go ahead and confirm the transaction. So all of this is just testing.
Bank is
it's just a project, a PHP script for
so
such functionality, but
this.
it's not real. It's just demo. Everything you are seeing right here is just demo. It's only for tutorial and educational purpose on how people can create a prototype as this and use it to apply use it to
make transfer to this
as
number.
a developer or as someone who can also be a user.
I make account to this transfer number, I will receive it.
Okay,
so
we
can
need
make
to
transfer to this account.
This is the account number of that guy, or you can come to his mail and copy his account number. So this is account number.
You can actually structure this in such a way to look pleasant. So I can say bank name.
Then you can go ahead and log in.
I can say this.
Display that show home. Welcome to PNC online banking script.
No,
you can change this home. Is not necessary, but you can remove it. Is that index page? That index page that we opened that time. So let me type on this home. When we change the logo link. So let me type on that home that you showed.
So something like this. So we can just go ahead and we can save this. Available in all countries, then we can go ahead and update. So that has been updated. So if we come back to the user right here and want to buy credit again, you're gonna see that there are gonna be some changes. So if we should refresh this, so you can see it's well now structured. It looks more structured right now. So this is how you create your payment method. So I guess on this point everything is already looking so slick, so awesome. So if you need accessory resources, as I said, you can contact me and you're gonna get this straight ahead. You're gonna get this straight away. So let's say for the consult, so now this user now can consult, right? So let's go and consult with this user. So
I say hello.
So let's click on the logo.
This is the internet banking.
So let's go to
as you can
home.
see, we have the credit of all of this. So this is the overview of it. So this project,
so let's assume
if you need access and resource to this project, you can just contact me and you will have it on a fast dial. So this person can, this project can be used for loan management,
because you already got credit now.
Bills,
so you can create a property. You can see
payroll.
So I can call this
normal microfinance bank.
Yes. So it's on sale.
So these are all of what the user can do. So let's assume this user wants to transfer. So this project has up to 5 transfer coding. So let's assume we want to transfer 500. Continue to next step. So it's going to choose the bank.
So we can just copy that and redo the same thing.
The name.
So it's a villa and it has an apartment in it. So image, so let's select an image of
S.
So under download, let me look for something that looks so slicky. Just slicky.
Text 7.
Let me use that one. Then it's in the United States because that's the only country we had. Let's say the California.
That account number.
Let's say it's in
Bakersfield.
So the longitude. Let's just use that one.
Pinstack description.
So let's say longitude and latitude. Okay, this is nice. So let me say.
So continue to next step. So I want to send the amount to bank name Pinkstack7, which is my YouTube channel. But so that's how it's just gonna be, just for testing purposes. The tutorial it does not exist, not real. So every disclaimer on anything that looks like no, only educational purpose. Those university students and people that want to add project to their catalog for proposal of contract jobs and employment. You can just
it has a
get to have this kind of project
redirect to
and you put it to your catalog. So it's just for catalog.
Let me say it has 7 bedroom.
So we are processing transaction.
Then it's on
floor, third floor. So this user needs IMF. So how is going to get his IMF?
1,500.
So let's come to the admin.
So the price.
So from the admin, this is this user.
This is sold on $10,000. $10,000. Private notes.
So let's click on to view details.
Renew automatically. You'll be charged again in 45 days. Okay, that is to make it available. Distance between facilities
is password.
So distance between. So I'm going to add. I can say school.
Okay, this
how many kilometer? 3 kilometers.
So this is IMF. So I can copy his IMF.
So hospital. How many kilometer? 5 kilometer.
And I'll just send it to him.
Supermarket.
This is IMF, right?
How many kilometer? 4 kilometer. So we have a lot of facilities. So let's say entertainment. How many kilometer? 10 kilometers.
And I'm going to paste it.
So let's send
email. So
pharmacy. How many kilometer? 2 kilometers.
For the court code and the likes. So I can
Airport,
then the
how many
user can come to his
kilometers?
mail here
15
and
kilometers.
see this. So this is IMF. He will just
So
copy his
railway, how
IMF
many kilometers?
and go and continue initiating
7
his transfer.
kilometers.
So once he gets here, he will just paste his IMF code.
Bus stop, how many kilometers? 2 kilometers.
Then you verify IMF.
So let's see beach, how
So
many
IMF supplied.
kilometers? 20.
So let's see what will be the next.
Okay, it's an island, 13 kilometers.
So the next one is cut code. So same thing the admin can also do.
Mall,
for the user.
3 kilometers. Bank,
so for cut code
4
too,
kilometers.
the admin will just copy the cut code once.
So custom
the
feed,
user has
add custom
opened ticket.
feed.
You understand? Maybe the user has opened ticket that I need IMF code
So
to
custom
initiate
feed,
transfer.
we need to,
So
that means we need to go and create from the admin custom feed. So okay,
so this will be cut
name. Okay, all these ones are name value. So let me see custom
So,
feed
just to maintain this is how
television.
you're gonna explain it to maintain
value.
professionality.
Value of the television is one. Let me say $1,000. That is the television. So let me add
So this project works
paint.
extremely nice.
Let me say
This
wall
project works extremely nice.
paint. So wall paint, let me say the value of the wall paint is $2,000. So they should not gonna be jumping up and down in the house, because I
So we need to
beat
enter
you.
OTP.
If you jump on my couch. So we can go ahead and add another field. Let's say couch,
Alert.
living
We
room,
got
living
so now we'll be waiting for
living
OTP.
room, couch, living room, couch. So it has massage. This one is 1.5. So those ones are okay. So it has Wi-Fi, it has parking, it has swimming pool. So all these features you can actually add as many you want to add from the admin end. So it has spa, it has pet, it has laundry, it has sentry, it has air
So
conditioning.
OTP is going to be what
Then
we're waiting
YouTube,
for now.
so YouTube thumbnail. So I can say okay, oh, this is the thumbnail for the YouTube video. So I can just go ahead
So
to
what other
where
things
I
can
can
we do?
have any of my YouTube
We
video,
can do bills payment and many more.
and I can go ahead and copy that.
One can check the post.
So I can go ahead and copy that. Then I'll just head on right to where I was. So where am I? So I'm gonna paste it right there, and search engine optimization. So you can actually edit your SEO. So you're gonna change your SEO logo. So let me say this is my SEO logo. So I can say Pings Tech Homes is giving quality houses at a fair selling price, of Pings villa. So I can just create something like that, just do any of all of those. So I can go ahead, save and exit. So I can go ahead and save and exit. So that has been created successfully. So I've actually created a property, and that property is going to be listed in the listing. So the moderation status is on pending, so I'll head back to the admin right here. And now that I'm in the admin, so let me go to the dashboard right here. So I can go ahead and leave. So pending property, so if you click on pending property right there, as you can see it's pending. So I can go ahead and view the property and see what this guy's actually created. So I can go ahead and modify the image if the image is having error. So I can insert on behalf. You can see how beautifully this is. So moderation from pending, I can put it on approve, then save and exit. So if we come back right here to the user, so if we come to the user right now and let's reload this. So the user do not have any credit anymore and he has made it a post. So let's assume from another user. So let's copy our site and let's see the views. Let's see how the views counts. So if we come right here and let's paste. So we know the property name, right? Wow, look how beautifully designed our house is. So let's look for the property. So let's enter the key name. Let's say PNG. Okay, let's go back and confirm. So it's capital letter PNG villa. Okay. Okay, let us go back to the admin and let's reload this. So let's come to the properties right here and let's see if that property is actually in this list. Okay, Pings Villa. So unique ID. So shall we edit the unique ID? So where do we have anything like unique ID? Let's say PNGS Tech. PNGS Tech. So if we come back right here and let's refresh. Okay, it's on Villa, right? Let's say from $7,000 to $10,000. So this is the Pink's Villa right here. So this is Pink Villa. So contact agency. So this is agency number. So we can go ahead and send the message. So it's located Lagos University Teaching Hospital. So somewhere around Yabatech, Lagos. So it has beach, it has all of that. So this project is so slick, so awesome. If you guys love what we do in this channel, ensure you hit that subscribe button. And if you need access to the resources, ensure you contact me. On my WhatsApp number is going to be on this video description and also on my channel. Right? Okay, this one is for rent. Okay, that one is project. Sorry. So now let's type the PNG now. Let me see for sale. Yes, it came out. So Pink's Villa. So it's on sale. So everything works fine. Everything works awesomely great. So if you guys love what we do in this channel, ensure you hit that subscribe button because we have a lot of fantastic and unique projects to give to you guys on this channel. And if you need access to the resources also, it's going to be available for you. So you just hit my DM and boom, there you go. So you've gotten your real estate project so slick, so easily. So if we come back to the admin right here, we can also change the color of our site. So if we come to settings, so if we come to general, let's check on general. Okay, well, let's come to appearance, let's come to theme. Okay, let's come to theme options. So let's just, so you come here, you change anything that is not looking real to yours, and you can do that. So Facebook integration, real estate, social sharing, cookies consent. That is how your cookies consent, accept all cookies. So that is where you can actually change the statement. So if I come to cookie concept, I can say yes. Yeah, it was a message. Yes, so this site will be improved by allowing cookies on PNGS Tech Homes. Okay, so we are good to go. So let's refresh our site and see how it looks. So wow. So briefly design. This is also slick and this is also awesome. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video tutorial. So bye for now. Ensure you hit the subscribe button and ensure you reach out to me to get the project files of this amazing, stunning and slick project.